Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the phone has at least 20% battery and you have a PC with ADB installed. Once connected via USB, you'll try to enable USB debugging. If the screen is unusable, boot into recovery or use OTG with a mouse to toggle settings. You're doing this so the PC can control the device. Once done, verify ADB detects the phone with ADB devices and keep the cable stable while you proceed. With ADB authorized, you'll control the phone from the PC. Use a DB shell for key events and input text, or run scrcpy for real-time display and mouse control when permission is granted. Type explicit commands to open settings, unlock, or launch apps. This is faster and reproducible. If scrcpy won't start, install an APK silently via a DB install and use it to grant permissions. Make sure to copy important files with a DB pull before any risky changes. To finish, restore secure settings. Use ADB to re-enable lock screen PIN, patterns, or biometrics and confirm network and account sync. Once everything is configured, remove USB and test normal operation. If you encounter problems, ADB shows unauthorized, reboot both devices, reconnect, and retry. Additionally, use an OTG mouse to accept prompts or enter recovery to enable ADB. Only perform a factory reset from recovery if backups are verified and all other options fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.